going on? What's going on? Wow. Holy dump. Take a hypothetical right there. This might be a banger hypothetical. Goated. Probably should have taken that. That would have been a banger. Break even. This might be a fast break even. Break even on the first trade. Not expecting us to go higher. Not financial advice. That was a break-even trade. Henry, you're gonna need to get a copy trader of some sort. So whether that be the NinjaTrader copy trader or TradeSyncer to be able to copy trade. And then yeah, basically you would connect all your accounts to the TradeSyncer or the NinjaTrader, and then basically you'll have a leader account, which this is my leader account, that will then take the same trades across all the other accounts. Got you. Someone said he says he's a mentor to XD. You can just look at my story, brother. That's all I gotta say. Good stuff, Rob. Good stuff. Break even. Bang, TP smashed. Whoever said he's an X-Store or a mentor, lol. Suck a dick, bitch. That's $4,000 in your nuts, brother. $4,000 dragged across your forehead. Yes, I do teach. I just secured 4K payout. If I get another winning trade, that'll be a 6K payout, and then if I win another trade from there, that will be a 14K payout. Hope you like that, buddy. Fingers in the chat. Barbecue chicken, you already know AC. Come on, quit playing with me! This is low-key sad. You want to see low-key sad? 21 accounts right there, buddy. 21 accounts, buddy. 21 accounts, buddy. It's literally $75 to learn my model. Jax, you want to come in here? Jax, I haven't heard from you in a minute. Let's hear it.
Bro, Andrew.
Hold on. What's good, Jackson?
Bro, by the way, because I'm on vacation, so I trade on my phone.
Uh-huh.
Bro, I literally did a live account with $150 live account.
Yep.
Right? Because I'm like fucking funded shit. And then basically, bro, I literally am in a trader. And I would be in a trader right now, but my fund is like $150, and apparently to trade a micro it has to be $326.
Damn.
So like I'm in a trader right now, and I'd literally be up $140 right now. So I don't already have double my account balance off one trade. Because it's like a 1-7 right now.
Damn, that's
first reward, bro. Oh my god, I'm so bro.
All good. Opportunities come.
I'd be up so much money, bro.
It's all good, bro. Don't even try.
It's fine. I got it down. I got the profitability down. I got everything down. It's so simple now.
That's what I love to hear, bro. That's so crazy, bro. Literally, I'm not gonna disclose your age, but out here, not even just doing this shit, bro. It's so insane. Bro, in Jackson, I see a
Bro,
massive
I'm
carp
locked
in our pond right now.
in.
Should go
I'm
get
locked in, bro.
He is beyond locked in, bro.
7 a.m. in the morning, and I'm just chilling, eating my hot pocket. Getting sunlight.
Hey, everyone spam up W's for that one. Everyone spam up big W's for that one. See W's in the chat. Another day, another banger. Let's go. Everyone spam the W's. I want to see non-stop W's. Another day, another banger. Let's go. Caught with the team. Love to see it. Love to see it. Appreciate y'all. Oh, man. Love to see it, boys. That's basically the E36 just got paid for right there. It's amazing. I'm pretty sure I have a million in funding now. Go ahead.
I'm gonna go get to my. I'm locked in. I'm gonna go get a run in. All right, peace out, bro.
Yeah, he's locked in. All right, brother. I'll catch you, Jackson. Have a good one, man. All right, boys. Wait, hold on. I think I'm gonna have a million in funding now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, bro, I'm 2 accounts away from a million funding. 2 accounts away. Love to see it, though. Love to see it. Not even 10 o'clock, and just like that. I have 18 accounts right now. So you can do 800 times 18. Let's see how much that was. $14 Gs on the day, baby. 14 Gs. I have... Let me see. I have 4 with Take Profit Trader, and then the rest are with Apex. Cough, cough. Reason I affiliate for them. Just want to say, I'm probably one of the only influencers that actually like promotes Apex, but actually knows how to use them. Guarantee all these people you're seeing that promote Apex have no idea how to use them. Don't get payouts from them. Don't do anything with them. I'm the exception, to be honest with you. There are some people obviously who use Apex, but for the most part, I am like one of the only people I know that actually uses Apex. I get dogged for it all the time, but dude, you just got to know how to play the game. Exactly. The system works amazing for Apex. That's just how you do it. But yeah, that's how you secure a 4K payout right there, baby. Come on, man! I just paid for a fucking car. I'd love to see it. Piece of the pie. It was curated to Apex as well, so... like when I made it, I learned my strategy from a lot of people, but I learned it mainly from kind of just a lot of trial and error and kind of made it myself. This was my re-entry. This was my first entry. Went break even, re-entry, TP smashed. If you guys want to see the accounts that I'm getting paid out on, this is my leader account. This account that you guys see right here, this will be getting built to 100K. I'm not taking a payout from this account because it's on its last account, so I can pull out whatever I want. So I'm literally building this account to over 50K in profits. These accounts will be getting pulled out of today. So this account, and then these accounts are all kind of just now building that buffer where they'll be ready to pull out pretty soon here. As you guys see, it's a lot of freaking accounts. Whole lot of accounts, my guy. But yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed that. That's how we do it around here. So if I get one more winning trade on this account, that'll be then another 2K added to that. And then, yeah. If you guys want to learn my model, just click the link in my bio. It's like $75 a month. Yeah. Love to see it. Love to see it. That's how what we call the piece of the pie. Shit is just what I do. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, it was funny, bro. I took that one short, and everyone's like, "Bro, what are you doing? Bro, he calls himself a mentor." Where are those comments at now? Where they at? So I'm looking for them. I don't see them. I don't see them. Crazy how it works, bro. Haters gonna hate, and then once you win, they're gone. Even when you win, they still hate, but it don't even matter. That's why I do this shit for free. Stream all this shit for free so you can go watch it all. Literally, I'm going to stream it all for free until the end of 2025, and you'll see literally all my progress. You'll see everything. It's all for free on YouTube. I don't give two Fs, right? You can go, I don't care what people think. They can go watch it. They can go do whatever they want. They can just sit there and type away, but I promise you they're not doing this shit for free. There's a reason they're in my stream and not streaming for themselves. I'll tell you that right now. Mr. Ito, I haven't seen you in a minute. Welcome back, brother. Trade recap. I can give y'all a quick little trade recap. Alright, so basically, we had Asian lows down here, but I really wasn't even looking for Asian lows. Although you could have probably held this to Asian lows, which would be pretty insane. But basically, first trade, I wanted to see this trend to PPI open. We kind of just slowly got there, but if we go to ES has been lacking the whole day. So when we hit PPI open, this was like around the time that we were hitting PPI open. So I saw there was an obvious trend to the PPI open again. Again, PPI open was the news of the day. So I saw there was an obvious trend here. I could definitely tell we wanted to draw to this. So once I kind of got this move, I knew, okay, yeah, we're going to eventually start drawing to that open. But somewhere around there, I took then, it's around 941. So yeah, right at that change in state, basically right there, I then took my first short on NQ. And then I wanted to go break even almost instantly, but then we got this big, it literally just wicked down immediately, went break even there, and then as you see, next candle went break even. So I was like, okay, whatever. We might go higher, so I might look for that. But then what did we do? We kind of trended or ranged around. We got some sort of manipulation right here. And from that point, I was like, okay, let's just see what happens. So we get the manipulation here. And then as soon as we get that, I see ES just dumps. We get a crazy change state delivery. I notice, okay, we're definitely coming to this PPI open. Let's see what ES wants to do. As you see, ES kind of trending. Boom, we get this change in state delivery right here. And from there, I'm like, okay, we're most likely going to keep pushing lower. So I waited a little bit for this candle to kind of form. I see then we get kind of another push down, and then right there I enter, as you see. And then basically went break even almost instantly. This could have fucked me. I mean, we could have gone break even, got wicked out, and then kept going, but went break even and immediately smashed TP basically. So that was my trade of the day. Basically, it was mainly, my main confluence was just ES was lacking super hard, and it was a very obvious draw on ES. So essentially, most of the time, ES is going to tell us where NQ is going to go. ES just trended straight to the floor to that PPI open. And that's exactly what NQ decided to do as well. I stream on TikTok and YouTube, and then in my exclusive group. My exclusive group guys, if you guys are like, bro, why doesn't he answer the TikTok chat? It's because I'm answering my exclusive group guys. I don't really answer, like I will talk to the TikTok chat, but my exclusive group guys are my number ones. Mr. Jack, what's good? What's good? Yeah, I'll post on Instagram, don't worry. Could do a little something. Jack, hold on, let me put my headset in. What's good? What's good? Yeah, I just secured the 4-band payout. If I win tomorrow, the E36 is paid for.
Dude, that's actually insane. What
Yeah, it's insane. It's crazy. And then if I win like another one after that, I should be eligible for like a fucking 12K payout on top of everything. And dude,
And then all the parts are paid for.
yeah, basically, bro. 2 more accounts, and I'm at 1 million in funding.
Nah, dude.
I know,
Someone
bro.
nerfed. Someone nerfed me.
Dude, I mean, you were with me from 3 accounts, literally 150k
I
in funding
know.
to 1 million funding, bro.
That's
It's insane.
I just woke up, dude. Cause I have an alarm set for 9:15 every morning,
Uh-huh.
and I look at the phone and it's 9:59. I'm like, shit. Please don't tell me there's a good setup. And then I hop on my phone and it's,
Oh.
oh, easy draw to Lowe's, bang. My
That's
God.
the worst, bro. That's the worst. It happens though. Dude, I was thinking about it. You remember the college wall I had with all the certificates and everything? Back when I was in my dorm.
Yeah.
Dude, imagine what that wall would look like now. It would literally be
Oh,
like the entire wall. It'd be ridiculous.
I stopped printing them out once I got to like
Yeah.
8.
Yeah, it does kind of just get bad. I would say though, bro, having that wall, like waking up every day to that was like straight motivation, bro. Just open your eyes and see hella certificates. Like, yeah, damn, I did that shit. Like,
That was
no
a
one
lot.
else did that, bro.
Lots of motivation with that.
The wall is a necessity for every trader, though. If you don't got a wall with at least one certificate, you gotta lock in.
We closed below that 4-hour. What the hell?
Dude, yeah, it was lucky. It looked like we were gonna inverse the crap out of this 1 hour gap, cause we got like a crazy 1 hour inverse plus a change of state delivery. So I was like somewhat bullish on the day, but then we tapped into this other 1 hour gap and just went to the
Oh.
literally, yeah, to
Wow.
no man's land, bro. Beautiful
There's
day,
no
though.
one-
Beautiful day. Who got the strat? Pay $75, brother, and you got the strat, bro. How can I scalp $20? I can put in a micro on a random direction. I don't know. My PA balance is 1977. At what point am I eligible for first partial payout? Do you think it's worth taking, or should I just build? AC, have you had a payout yet? Or will this be your first one? Okay, so I mean, Gabe got a fat payout for his first one. He got a 1400 payout. But me and Jack, ironically, literally had like the same exact payout. Like we both got like what'd you get? Like 500 or 600, Jack?
650.
Yeah, I think I got maybe like 625. Basically, bro, I got like eligible for my first payout. I was like, you know what? I just want to take a payout. I just want to see the money in the bank just to know like this shit is real. And so I literally took like a $600 payout, my first payout. And then from there, I mean, it's been only up. But it's kind of just up to you, like whatever you feel comfortable with. Like if you, so once you're at 51 or 52 100, so $2,100 in profit. Anything above that you can take out. So it's kind of just up to you if you want to go for like more than whatever you want. It'll just kind of be up to you. But like next trade, if you hit for like 700, I mean, you'll be eligible for like a $600 payout basically. But then if you want to keep going, that's completely up to you. But I personally was just like, I just want to get my first payout, get that like emotion out of the way, just know I got it for my first time, and then just move forward. But at the same time, though, once you get that payout, you're going to have to wait another like 8 trading days to be able to get that payout. So it's kind of just, it's a little wonky. Yeah, just whatever you want to do. That's my thoughts on TJR. TJR is the GOAT, but bro is just so out of the loop now. He is just trading so much money. He's not even like a funded trader anymore. Like, I don't know. Even when I first started, I feel like I couldn't really relate to him because he was already living in Miami with the freaking penthouse, and when he had the Barabbas at the time, and I was like, bro, this dude's making so much money. Like, he does not even give two craps about a prop firm. And at that time, he also had his own prop firm, RIP 101 Funding. I don't know. He's the GOAT, but at the same time, it's just like, bro, he's so out of the loop of kind of like the prop trading. It's like, I feel like it's kind of hard to relate to him. Dude, we're definitely going to take these Asian lows, dude. If I held this would be a 4.3 RR trade.
I was gonna enter because one, but then that last candle just had dumped and it's too late now. too late now.
How to develop my strategy through literally just trial and error over and over and over again, and a lot of backtesting. Backtesting mainly is what helped me develop my strategy, because everyone talks about that light bulb moment, or like when it just clicks. Bro, I'm so serious. If you backtest long enough, you're gonna get to this point where you just see the same thing over and over, and you're like, wait a second. Like, I see it over and over all the time. I feel like I could just catch that move, and then that's when you'll find your strategy.
I think, I think, what was best for me was not so much the light bulb in strategy, was more of the light bulb in like psychology, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, that as well.
And when I was like able to say, oh, all I need to do is have good risk management and be patient, and like you said, there's traders that take 1 to 2 trades a month
Yeah,
because they wait for A plus plus.
yeah. This is one of my students talking TikTok, by the way.
It's a game changer.
I do have a free Discord, yes. But yeah, I can, bro. I would say I like that same exact moment also clicked to me. Like when I heard that there's traders that only take like 1 to 2 to 3 setups every month with like big money, is when I was like, okay, yeah, there's obviously I'm doing something a little wrong if I'm taking 3 trades a day. Like, there's definitely like the psychology turning point is definitely, it's kind of like you have to have 2 light bulbs like turn on it like at one point. Like you got to find the strategy where the light bulb turns on, then once you find the risk management and the psychology light bulb, that's when you're profitable basically. Like there's nothing more from there.
Free cash. We did just inverse at 1 minute. Very nice.
I know, I'd be careful.
I think Asia wants to get taken.
Yeah, because look at earlier, bro. We were just making like a whole bunch of like liquidity. Like we were just like we were inversing 1 minute gas, but like nothing was like pushing us higher. There's a 5 minute unfilled gap up here though, and a 50-minute unfilled gap.
Holy crap.
Oh wow. Oh wowzers. That could just be manipulation though, tapping into that 5 minute gap. Possibly. Possibly not though. No, I took this trade. I don't catch this big of moves. I literally just caught that. That was my trade. Dude, I almost got screwed over on my first trade. I entered with obviously like a 50-point stop as always, but it gave me like a 30-point stop for some reason, dude. And like it wasn't too close to getting stopped out because I went break even pretty fast, but I was like, dude, if this just ran like a little, because like sometimes I'll go like 30 points in a drawdown and then just like immediately wick down. I was so scared, bro. I thought I was gonna get stopped out. I would have been so pissed if I lost like 300 on the day, because I would have probably just called it for 300.
Why did you do that?
I have no idea. I entered and it was just like the smallest stop for some reason. I would have been so pissed. And then yesterday, it didn't even give me a stop loss or take profit. I was so confused. I don't know what's going on.
Are you using TradeSync or still using
that Ninja Trader? Dude, the Ninja Trader is just so much cheaper. I'm so glad I go with the Ninja Trader.
Yeah, if you have more than 2 connections, it's $100 a month.
Yeah, exactly that too. Like, bro, it would cost me so much on TradeSync to have $1 million in funding on there. Like, it cost me a good bit. And I know for sure I'm about to get some. I don't know what accounts I want to get next. I might maybe get some Alpha Futures accounts and some My Fun Futures accounts. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna get a couple accounts with what I've got.
I just have a 3-stack of my fundeds right now, but I didn't know this. The max payout is $1,200. So like, and yours, you get that every 5 trading days. So I did the math. If I targeted $300 for 4 days out of the 5 days of the week, I can max payout every week. If all you gotta do is target $300.
Yeah, wait, that's not bad. All right, hold on. Real question. For the million in funding, both of these accounts are. This account's 160 or 170 away. This account's $50 away. Do I just go for the million in funding right now? Yeah, I'm definitely about to do it. This will be for a million in funding. Both my evals are like right there.
I'd like to see a 2-minute inverse to the inside. We're tapping into the 5-minute. We're tapping into 3-minute, 2-minute. I'd like to see that 2-minute to the downside.
My strategy is essentially catching a big or a small part of a big move, basically. Okay, wait, I'm going for a million in funding right here. Which accounts are these? 68 and 70. Alrighty, let's go for a million in funding right here. Really have to just get $50 on an account. Guys, this is a eval trade. I'm done on like my fundeds. It's a eval trade. It's going to be. Let's just see us put in an order block. We do not.
Late entry, I don't even want to take that anymore.
No stop. I'm getting cooked. Oh. That's not good looks. Okay, I'm out there. Alright, never mind. No more million in funding. We are waiting till tomorrow. Alright, bet. This is what it is. Oh, it didn't even copy trade on the other account. Bet. Okay, it is what it is. I don't know why they didn't copy trade. Oh, it was on the wrong account, that's why. Alright, whatever. Yes, you should risk heavy on evals without a doubt. That was an eval account, guys. Don't trip. Of course, it's probably gonna smash TP now, but whatever. Alright, I'm probably about to hop off. Go about my day. So far, I am 2 for 3 on the week. Or, well, technically 3 for 3. Or 2 for 2, because I didn't really trade the first day on Monday. I did, but it was on one account. And I did take an L, but it doesn't matter now. Alright, boys. I hope everyone has a good day today. Don't overtrade. Be smart. And stay safe in the market as always. Deuces, boys.